Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Nested Burr. And Nested Burr was inspired by an idea of Michael Rolberg, and let me immediately show you how it works. As you can see, it looks like a Burr puzzle, but the Burr pieces are nested into each other, and that is exactly how the puzzle works. So taking it apart, you take out the red piece, the yellow piece, the green one, orange, blue and purple. So now we have the inner pieces out and the process repeats. So we move out again the red piece, the yellow one, green, orange, blue and purple. And here we have the outer one of the nested burr, and again we repeat the same pattern. We remove the red one, the yellow one, the green one. Well, now everything falls apart, and here you see the pieces of nested burr. So the pieces, they fit into each other, and the red one locks everything. And yeah, it's a very nice puzzle. It's obviously not very difficult because of the regular pattern, and it's just one piece at a time. And this is what my question to you is about. How can we make this puzzle more difficult? So how can we make it more moves and less obvious to solve? Thank you for watching.